Hello. Okay. So welcome to the first video of the AutoCAD. Uh, in this video, I will show you the AutoCAD means how to use the AutoCAD, and you will learn step by step AutoCAD from scratch to the advanced level. So let's learn with me. My name is Harsha C. Parmar, and you will learn AutoCAD here very step by step in a very peaceful manner. So without wasting any time, let's just get started. So this is the AutoCAD icon. So make sure you have installed the latest versions of the AutoCAD. I have the AutoCAD 2018 version available. I have the AutoCAD 2018 version available, and it is a 64-bit, and there is required minimum 10 GB space for to continuous running the AutoCAD. Means you can use it with a simply manner without any breaking or any any dragging while running the AutoCAD. So let's start. Means how first we will see how to open an AutoCAD. So double click on this icon and it will pop up this window. Okay, let's just wait for some minutes. Okay. So this is the interface of the AutoCAD in which you can see this is the this button uh, this button at which the A is written. This is known as the application menu. What we can say this is the application menu. Okay, so here are some start drawings. There is a icon available here, and the name of that icon is start drawing. And here you can see there is written here templates, and if you click on this template, then there is a by default templates available which is provided by the AutoCAD, and we can use the different kind of templates like the Arcade DWT, Arcade 3D.DWT, uh, and likewise. If you want to draw the architectural drawing, means in the inches and feet, suppose you want to draw the drawing, then click on this icon, no template imperial. And if you want to cope up with the met in the unit in your drawing, then please click on this template. That is no template and that is matrix. Okay. So let's double click on ACAD.DWT here. Okay. So this is the very basic kind of templates that is provided by the AutoCAD, and all the drawing we have to draw in this templates only. That is ACAD DWT. Okay. So as you can see, I have already told you that this is the uh, application menu, and these all are the quick access toolbar. These all are the quick access toolbar. Okay, and you can see whatever the written here, that is a workspace. Means you can choose here the workspace. What is workspace? Means in which domain do you want to draw your AutoCAD drawing? Suppose this I want to draw just 2D drawings. So I need to working in the environment, and the name of that environment is called the drafting and annotation, or what we can say in the another word, workspace. Okay, so you can choose this drafting and annotation. If you want to change this into 3D, suppose you want to draw an 3D part into the AutoCAD, 3D model into the AutoCAD, then you have to choose the different environment or the different workspace. So for changing it, you need to click here and click on the 3D basic. So this is the basic kind of different menus are available here. There is a third option, that is a 3D modeling, in which it is the combination of 2D and 3D. Means all the 2D commands are also there, and all the 3D commands are also there. So make sure uh, you choose your environment according to your criteria. Okay. Currently, I want to draw into the 2D drawing in the 2D environment. So just I have to click on the drafting and annotations. Okay. So in the drafting and in annotation, there are the different tabs: home tab, insert tab, annotate, parametric, view, manage. So these all are the tabs. Okay, feature tabs. So from home tab up to the feature tab, there are the different tabs are there. Okay, so these all are the tabs, and uh, in the last there is a minimize to panel buttons are there in which you can click. Suppose if I click on this button, then it will be change your orientation speed. If you again click here, then it will be again shorten the menu, means it will sort the menu and it will minimize the window. And if you again click on it will disappear. And if you again click here, then it will be again appears. So this is the button, means for the minimization panel button, you can call it. If you want to minimize the panel, then you can use this button. Okay. So suppose in this home tab, there are the different kind of sections are there, like draw toolbar, modified toolbar, annotation toolbar, layer toolbar, block toolbar, property toolbar, groups toolbar, utility toolbar. So these all are the different toolbars are there. Okay. Suppose in the draw toolbar there are different kind of uh, what we can say uh, the suppose if I want to draw the line, then then I can use this line command. So in the draw toolbar, commands are available. So in the modify toolbar, modify commands are there. In the annotation toolbar, annotation commands are there. In the layer toolbar, layers commands are there. Likewise, in the insert menu, there are the different tabs as well as the different commands are there. In the annotation, in the parametric, means parametric is used for the relation. Suppose I want to perpendicular or parallel to the two different lines, then I can use this parametric toolbar. Views, manage, output, add-ins, A360, express tools. So we can use all these kind of things or the features. Okay. So these all are the tool. These all are the tabs as well as the tools by which can create a drawing. Okay. So we will learn this in the next tutorial step by step. Okay, so you will learn it step by step. And there is another option here. If you click here, suppose click on this arrow, drafting and annotation, means besides the drafting and annotation, there is another menu. And if you click on that menu, there is a you can see more command. So there maybe you can use the more command for your work. Okay, and there is another toolbar. The name of that toolbar is the show menu bar. If you click on that, then different kind of menu will be appear here. Files, edit, view, insert, format, tools. So these are very helpful while the drawing. Okay, so make sure you have click on this button, that is show menu bar or and if you want to hide it, then again click here and click on the hide menu bar. Okay, so these all are done. Uh, there is another option for changing this workspace or the environment. You can click here and you can use the your environment. in this manner. Okay, so this is my first video in which I have told you about the different kind of menus, different kind of toolbars, means what type of menus are there. So in the next video, we will see its application. So if you enjoy this video and if you like means it's really like it's helpful for your knowledge means if it's increase your knowledge then please do like subscribe and share with your friends. It will be very helpful for me. Thank you very much. I need your support.